What is going on, you guys? It is Steven here, bringing you guys with a brand new video today. What is going on, guys? How you guys doing? I did order another part for the Type R. It should be coming in tomorrow, so super excited to get that installed for you guys. It should be pretty good. If it comes in tomorrow, hopefully like afternoonish, maybe I can get it installed that day, if not Friday morning. But in today's video, I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how I wash my Type R. And I just picked up a new product from Chemical Guys. Shout out to Chemical Guys. I love all your stuff. I use everything. I spend so much money on Chemical Guys. Sponsor me. I'm just kidding, but actually I'm not, but it'll be dope. Picked up a new product, Hydro Slick. I'm gonna be using it and just showing you guys how I wash my car step by step, basically. So I know you guys like the install videos. Just be patient. And another thing, I hit 1100 views on my exhaust video. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. 1,000 views on the video is like a mini milestone to me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really means a lot. And let's just keep grinding. And man, I'm so tired. I haven't woken up this early in a while. I'm gonna be heading over to my dad's house right now and just film the step-by-step process. All right, first start with the wheels. Rinse it down. It's good. And spray it with your wheel cleaner. I got my brushes right here. Start from the top, work your way to the bottom. You see that dirty? It's foaming up. In the face. Your tire. And your last one to get into the small areas, like up here and stuff, like right here and everything. I always start with the wheels first because they're the most dirtiest part of the car. Alright, that's how I clean my wheel. I'll do it for the rest of the 4. And yeah, I gotta clean the wheels. Now, 2-bucket method, the dirt trap, your wash mitt, one for your soap, one for your rinse. Alright, I'm about to rinse on the car. Add your favorite soap. I use this one, Citrus Washing Gloss. Add 1 to 2 ounces. So 1 or 2 good squirts. Activate. Alright guys, good foam, extra lubrication, going straight motion, no circular or anything. What we know. Just rinse in your bucket. of the car. What do you guys think? I don't want to show the drying process because this is boring, but it's pretty good. Now for the ceramic coating. Pick this up. Fucking 41 bucks. You better work, chemical guys, on this plane. Got my applicator. Still got some shade here. You know, let's see how this works. Alright, applied it right here, wipe it in straight motion. That. Wash the truck. What y'all think? Sheesh. But yeah, just chilling. Watch the cars and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. It was just a video of how I wash my car. And I also use that ceramic hydro slick by Chemical Guys. First time using it. It's like a wax, but you can add a wax for another layer of protection for your car. You know, so it doesn't so it's harder for the sun to beat on your paint if you have your car parked outside. So cleaned the car yesterday, filmed, and use that ceramic coating. And yeah, that's pretty much wraps up the video. As I'm filming this right now, my part came in, so stay tuned for that video. It should be dropping no later than Sunday. Stay tuned for that video. It should be, I'm super excited. I got a PRL goodie, that's all I'm gonna say. Follow all of my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, TikTok, all that good stuff. Link in the description. So if you did enjoy the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys all so much for watching the videos. And other than that, it's been Steven. And I'm out, guys. Peace out.